What are some examples of seriation? Have you ever wondered how archaeologists piece together the past? One fascinating method they use is called seriation. So, what are some examples of seriation? Let's break it down. Seriation is a relative dating technique that helps arrange artifacts in chronological order based on their stylistic changes over time. This method shines when absolute dating methods can't be applied. A classic example is pottery and ceramics. Archaeologists analyze design styles and frequencies of different pottery types to establish a timeline. For instance, at the site of Pompeii, seriation was key in creating a timeline for various pottery styles. Another interesting application is grave sequencing. In Europe, archaeologists have used seriation to reconstruct the chronological sequence of graves in cemeteries. By examining the presence or absence of specific artifact styles in each grave, they can order the graves chronologically. This helps in understanding burial practices over time. One of the earliest uses of seriation was by Sir William Flinders Petrie in pre-dynastic Egyptian cemeteries. He analyzed grave contents to create sequences based on design and popularity, even without stratigraphic evidence. This was a significant step in using seriation for archaeological dating. Frequency seriation is another method worth mentioning. This technique plots the rise and fall in popularity of artifact styles, creating what is known as a battleship curve. It is particularly useful when dealing with large quantities of artifacts, like pottery shards. Different types may be present in varying proportions, and this method helps visualize those changes over time. Contextual seriation is also important. It uses the co-occurrence of specific artifact types within archaeological contexts to create a relative chronological sequence. This method is often applied to reconstruct grave sequences, focusing on the presence or absence of design styles rather than their frequency. Seriation is a versatile technique that can be applied to various artifacts, including stone tools and other archaeological finds. Its ability to establish a chronological order without relying on absolute dating methods makes it a fundamental tool in archaeology. So, the next time you think about how we learn about the past, remember that seriation plays a vital role in piecing together the story of human history.